Welcome back to Small Seconds, the channel dedicated to watches and watch culture. Today, we're unboxing the Citizen Elegant Eco-Dried BM7251-53L Sports, a dress watch from Citizen's classic collection. This is a solar-powered timepiece with a striking blue dial and clean, elegant design. Let's take a closer look. Citizen keeps its packaging straightforward and professional. The outer box is simple, clean, and focused on protecting the watch rather than impressing with excess. Inside, the watch sits securely in a presentation cushion, with documentation included underneath. And here is the BM7251-53L. Immediately noticeable is that deep blue dial, which shifts in tone depending on the light. It's rich, refined, and pairs beautifully with the polished stainless steel case and bracelet. This is a classic three-hand dress watch with a date display at 3 o'clock. Simple, functional, and designed to work in a variety of situations, from the office to evening wear. The case is 41 millimeters in diameter with a height of 10 millimeters. A slim, wearable profile that sits comfortably under a shirt cuff without adding bulk. The case and bracelet are both stainless steel with a polished finish. The bracelet features a push-button deployment clasp and solid links throughout, giving it a substantial premium feel on the wrist. The dial is where this watch really stands out. That sunburst blue finish adds depth and dimension, with applied silver markers and polished hands that catch the light nicely. The crystal is sapphire, scratch-resistant and highly durable for everyday wear. Sapphire is typically reserved for higher-end watches, so it's a welcome inclusion at this price point. Inside is Citizen's Caliber E111 and Eco-Drive quartz movement. Eco-Drive is Citizen's solar charging technology. The watch converts any light source, natural or artificial, into power. Once fully charged, it can run for approximately 6 months in total darkness. There's also a low charge indicator on the dial to alert you when the power reserve is running low. Accuracy sits at plus or minus 15 seconds per month. In terms of functionality, this is a straightforward watch. A 3-hand time display with hours, minutes, and seconds. Date window at 3 o'clock. And 10-bar water resistance that's 100 meters, suitable for swimming and snorkeling, though this is primarily a dress watch. The strap lug width is 21 millimeters, making it easy to swap in aftermarket straps if you want to change up the look. The Citizen Elegant Eco-Drive BM7251-53L Sports offers a lot for the price. Sapphire crystal, solar-powered movement, a well-finished stainless steel bracelet, and a dial that genuinely stands out. If you're looking for a versatile dress watch that doesn't require battery changes and works across a range of occasions, this is worth considering. Thanks for watching Small Seconds. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.